Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Chetan's original show. Today, we have an exciting news to explore. We will be diving into the recent update in market regarding Make in India. Foxconn to manufacture 2 crore iPhones a year at its Bengaluru facility. The business plans to begin manufacturing at its Devanahalli facility on April 1, 2024. The project has been allocated 300 acres in the Information Technology Investment Region, ITIR, Industrial Region in Doddaballapur in Devanahalli Taluk, close the Bengaluru International Airport. Foxconn, Hornhair Technology India Mega Development Private Limited, a Taiwanese contract manufacturing firm that manufactures goods for tech giant Apple, plans to begin producing iPhone units in Bengaluru's rural sector by April 2024 at its Devanahalli factory. According to Karnataka's new government's Heavy and Medium Industries Minister, the entire land would be handed over by July 1. Foxconn intends to build a plant in Devanahalli in 3 phases and to produce 20 million mobile phones, 2 crore iPhone devices, per year when the first 3 phases are completed. The corporation has already paid the Karnataka Industrial Areas Development Board, KIADB, 30% of the land cost, 90 crore rupees. The statement was made during a visit by a team of Foxconn top executives. The meeting was also attended by the state ITBT minister. The new government has decided to expedite the 13,600 crore rupees project, which aims to provide employment for 50,000 people, said Karnataka's Heavy and Medium Industries Minister. The project has been allocated 300 acres in the Information Technology Investment Region, ITIR, Industrial Region in Doddaballapur in Devanahalli Taluk, close the Bengaluru International Airport. The company plans to start manufacturing on April 1, 2024. In accordance with this timeline, the identified land will be handed over to Foxconn by July 1, stated Karnataka's Minister of Heavy and Medium Industries. The company has expressed its requirement for 5 MLD of water, and the government is committed to providing the necessary infrastructure, including reliable electricity, road connectivity, and other facilities. We hope you enjoyed this recent update on manufacturing of iPhones in India. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Until next time, take care and stay curious.